This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials. Pick a grid size. 10 by 10 is standard for classrooms, 12 by 12 for challenge, and assemble your word list. Once chosen, make sure to include a few decoys to control difficulty. Open Canva and create a custom design or select an A4 template so spacing is predictable. Next, add a square grid using lines or a table. This first step sets the layout. So align and distribute evenly before placing any letters. Now you place words into the grid. Start with the longest words, orienting them horizontally, vertically, or diagonally to maximize fit. Once done, rotate directions to increase challenge. Use individual text boxes for each letter so you can fine-tune spacing, font size, and alignment, then lock those elements to prevent accidental moves. After all target words are placed, fill empty cells with random letters. Choose common letters more often to avoid obvious patterns, and group related words apart for balance. Finish by styling for clarity. Pick a sans serif font, about 18 to 28 point depending on grid, and add colors or borders to match your theme. Once done, duplicate the page to create an answer key, highlight found words, and export both versions as PDF or PNG. If letters overlap or alignment shifts during export, unlock the letter boxes, nudge them by 12px, then relock. This single troubleshooting step fixes nearly all visual glitches and preserves print-ready layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.